Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to use Datatables Jquery plugin with PHP MySql and how can we use this plugin with Bootstrap. In this video we will use Bootstrap library with Datatables Jquery plugin, and by using PHP script we will display MySql table data into Datatables styling with Bootstrap library. Datatables is a Jquery plugin and it is highly flexible tools for displaying data in HTML table. The most benefit of using this plugin into our web project is that it reduces our lots of server-side code like code for pagination, code for search data from table, code for multi-column ordering. It has also support different type of data source like JavaScript, Ajax and server-side processing. It can be easily enabled with its own Datatables, Jquery user interface, Bootstrap. This is my index.php page. We have include Jquery CD and link get from Google hosted library, and then after we have add Bootstrap library CD and link get from its official website. For using Datatable plugin on this page, for this we have include this link from datatables.net site. We have include total 3 links from that site. First link is Datatable JavaScript file. By including this file we can use the JavaScript functionality of Datatables plugin. Second link is Datatables with Bootstrap JavaScript file. By including this link we have to use Datatables with Bootstrap library, and last link is also Datatable Bootstrap style sheet. By including this link we can use format Datatables table by Bootstrap CSS framework. So this all links should be included for using Datatables plugin with Bootstrap. After including all required links we have moved to start load data under Datatables plugin. So for this we have one employee table into our database testing, so we want to load that table data into Datatables. So for this first we have make database connection, so we have write $connect variable is equal to MySql connect function with 4 argument like host set to localhost, username set to root, password set to blank and database name to testing. After making database connection we have writing $query variable is equal to select start from table employee order by id in descending order. This query will fetch all employee data. Now we want to execute this query, so we have write $result variable is equal to MySql query function with 2 argument. In first argument we have write database connection string $connect, and in second argument we have write $query variable. This function will execute query and store result into this result variable. Now we have defined one table for load this data into that table, so for this we have write table tag with attribute it is equal to employee data and attribute class is equal to table stripe and table bordered. This all our Bootstrap library class which we have used with Datatables plugin, and employee data id we will use in Jquery code for Datatables for identify we want to load data into this table. Under this table we have write open and close table head tag, and under this tag we have write open and close table row tag, and under this tag we have write 5 table heading tag with text like a name, address, gender, designation and age. This way we have defined table definition. Now under this table we want to print employee table data, so we have write while loop open and close bracket, and between this bracket we have write $row variable is equal to MySql fetch array function with 1 argument like $result variable. This function will convert query result to associative array and store into this $row variable. Under this block we have write echo statement with text like open and close table row, and between this tag we want to print employee table column data, so we have write 5 table data tag. In first tag we have display name by writing $row name. In second table we have display address by writing $row address. In third table data tag we have display gender by writing $row gender. In fourth table data tag we have display designation by writing $row designation, and in last table data tag we have display age by writing $row age. This way we have display data into table. Friends, you can see that employee data in HTML table, and this table has been formatted by using Bootstrap style sheet library. But now we want to activate Datatables plugin on this employee table. So for this we have go to Jquery code part, and under this we have write $with employee data, which is an id of table, and which we have loaded employee data with .datatable method. This method has activate Datatables Jquery plugin on employee data table, so on this table we can use the functionality of Datatables plugin. So our code is ready, so we have saved this code on checkout in browser. Now friends, you can see on web page functionality of Datatables plugin has been activated on employee table. We can see that some feature of Datatables plugin, like how many entries you want to show on single page, by default is 10, but suppose when we have changed 10 to 25, then it has been loaded 25 records under table. Above the table there is one search box. From this search box you can search any table column data and it return instant search result. On each table heading column you can show data in ascending or descending order by simple clicking on arrows. Below the table you can show pagination link. This plugin has make pagination automatically when data has been loaded into table. For all these things we do not have to write single line code. All features are built into this Datatables plugin, and all these features are work on page. It do not send request to server side and load data without refresh of page. Here we have simple load data from MySql table by using PHP script, and this we have make HTML table, and then after we have load data into HTML table, so our HTML table with data is ready. So now we want to only activate Datatables plugin on that table, so we have activate Datatables plugin by using datatable method with table. So this method has activate functionality of Datatables plugin on table. By using this plugin we have to write less code and get more functionality like column sorting, instant searching, show number of entry on single page, pagination, and many more without writing a single line of code. This plugin is easily enabled with Bootstrap library. This all advantage of using Datatables plugin into our project. So friends, this is my video tutorial on how to use Datatables Jquery plugin with PHP, MySql, and Bootstrap. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends, or even you can also share on social media also. Friends, you want to get more update of my video, so friends, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. Friends, you can also like my Facebook page also, or you can also follow Webs Listen on Twitter.